Hey, gaming enthusiasts, get ready to dive into the future of handheld gaming with the exciting announcement of AYANEO's Flip Series. Today, we're breaking down the key features, innovations, and pricings that makes these gaming handhelds a must-have. So let's jump right in. AYANEO is shaking up the handheld gaming scene with its innovative Flip Series. What sets them apart? Well, it's all about the design. Unlike traditional handhelds, AYANEO adapts a clamshell design, offering a more compact size without compromising its performance. Forget about bulky controllers. Flip Series introduces the Flip GS and KB, each with its unique features. Powering this beast is the mighty AMD Ryzen APUs based on Zen 4 RDNA3 architectures. Choose between Phoenix Point 7840U or Hawk Point 8840U variants, both featuring 8 Zen 4 cores and 12 RDNA3 Compute Units. The result, a gaming experience like never before. Worried about overheating? AYANEO incorporates a custom vapor chamber cooling design with a single fan, keeping the processor cool even during the intense gaming sessions. When it comes to memory, the Flip Series offers LPDDR5X 6400 memory with options for 16 gigs or 32 gigs. Storage choice range from 512 gigabytes to whopping 2 terabytes, giving you the flexibility to choose on your gaming needs. But there's the real game changer, the primary 7-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate. Concerned about interruptions? AYANEO has covered you with an automatic screen locking system at multiple angles. Plus, the GS versions adds a secondary 3.5-inch screen for an immersive gaming experience. Say goodbye to the traditional controls. The Flip Series features the Hall sensing joysticks, the Hall triggers, an optical ping mouse, and a pole keyboard, offering a variety of gaming options in a compact device. Gamers on the go rejoice. The Flip Series supports the both USB4 and OCuLink, providing versatility and future-proofing your gaming experience. AYANEO is paving the way for standard, making it an exciting additions to their systems. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, the pricing. Starting at just $699, the Flip Series delivers the exceptional values. The early bird pricing for the keyboard version includes 512 gigs of storage and 16 gigs of RAM. Want more? For an extra $260, upgrade into 32 gigs of memory and 2 terabytes of storage. Get ready to sign yours. The AYANEO KB and GS with Ryzen 7 7840U will start shipping in March 2024, while the 8840U based devices hit the market by the end of April 2024. Keep in mind, the pre-orders are open, but you always recommend waiting for those in-depth reviews for making a decision. And there you have it, folks. AYANEO's Flip Series is a game changer in the world of handheld gaming. Stay tuned for more updates. Until the next time, happy gaming.